Hello. So looking at the summer demand hype alongside the notable latest drop in crude oil inventories, we can see crude oil bouncing in a potential bullish recovery and challenging the $65 resistance level. Now, looking at crude oil from a weekly time frame perspective, it is still positioned above the mid zone of a declining channel extending since the highs of 2022, which is aligning it on a positive sentiment. Yet, looking at the momentum, we can also see the RSI hovering below the 50 neutral zone, which is positioning the overall outlook from a weekly time frame perspective between a positive to a neutral forecast. Now, if we drop down towards the daily time frame, we can see that crude oil broke out of an approximate 1 month consolidation between May and June, all the way towards the $65 resistance. And we need a clean hold above that resistance to be able to extend the forecast in line with the target of that overall breakout, possibly towards the $71 mark. Of course, if we do have a positive market anticipation in line with growth and summer demand activity. Now, from the downside, if we have renewed tensions with respect to tariffs or supply risks on the horizon, and alongside a drop below the $60 psychological mark, we might have renewed downside risks back towards 55, 58, and 55, where we might have potential renewed long-term bullish positioning entering the chart once again. Yes, so looking at the silver chart from a technical standpoint, it's currently trading at fresh 13-year highs above the $36 per ounce mark last seen in 2012. And looking at it from a daily time frame perspective, it is currently approaching a trend line that connects the consecutive high lows extending since December 2024 all the way towards 2025. And with that critical level of that trend line, it is a clear resistance near the 37.30 level I'm currently eyeing. Also aligns from a monthly time frame perspective with an overall target of inverted head and shoulders pattern that extended between August 2020 and April 2024. So we're approaching the target of that inverted head and shoulders formation, yet looking also at the momentum, the RSI levels are also approaching overbought levels last seen in 2020, which possibly paves the way for a potential drawdown or drawdown risk near these current heated levels that we're currently seeing, and only a clean hold above that level might extend gains towards the $40 psychological point, or maybe more back towards the records last seen in 2011, which is near the $50 mark, if we were to have to proceed with that sharp momentum with respect to the tech and advancement rally. If you manage to have a potential pullback below that 37.30 critical level, key support levels I'm eyeing are near the 35 level, 34.70 support level, 33.70 and 32.70 for potential consolidation or renewed opportunity for silver to potentially rebound and get back on that uptrending track.